Hello, everybody. Let's glue book and my mini composition glue book. Y'all, I had a video showing my putting this page together. Find what moves you. I had cut up a whole lot of. I was using a magazine from last year, and I just cut up the blank, the solid colored pieces of the page. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? It only recorded the my voice. It wasn't recording when I went to go import. I could see it. It was import. It wasn't it was imported. Was it imported yet? No, I could see it, but it wouldn't import. So it wouldn't come up so I could edit and do all the things to it. And so here's what it looked like. Oh, it will probably become a short. Oh, I was upset. I tried everything to get it to work, and it didn't work. It didn't work. It was just my voice. Oh, so I said I had a little bit more, and we're going to start a new one. And so we're going to start a page. I originally thought I could recreate it some way, but it didn't work out. My muse took it another way. So here's the magazine that one of the magazines we were working in last year. So wasn't this one that I had pulled from to get the other page? It was the other one, and I'm getting ready to show you that one soon. And then this isn't going to be a magazine only because I do later pull out some stickers and some bling. Well, anyway, I was gluing the little bling pieces on before I got up to go edit it on the one I'm showing you. I mean, the one that didn't record the actual video, or it recorded it, but I couldn't import it. I must have knocked over the glue, and let me tell you, y'all, that glue, I came back, the bottle was empty. It was my Aleene's clear glue, and I don't use that very often, so it was full. Knocked it all over, and I craft on a small, I craft on a card table, and right beside it is a recliner. So right between the recliner, thank goodness it didn't get on the recliner. Right between the recliner and the desk, it spilled all down there. Empty bottle. It was everywhere. And I said, I'm going to record this here video that I'm doing right here. Here's the second magazine. And if I remember, I'll link the videos that I did last year where I was pulling from these magazines. That's why I say these magazines, that when you buy those 3-packs, that's going to last you a while, especially, you're a casual crafter. It's going to last you a while. So yeah, the magazines are becoming a little pricey. I used to get them way back in the day. They didn't come in a 3-pack then, but I used to subscribe way back in the day to them. I enjoy them, but they will last you. You pack it away. You can see I didn't get to my fall ones this year like I wanted to. And then I was pulling from some old 2021 Christmas ones, but you'll see those again next year, God willing. You'll see those again next year. Magazines so much, you could get so much out of it, but don't take it from me. Get what you enjoy getting, and that's what was going to make your pages fun and more enjoyable to do. Is you're getting magazines that you like to read and you like to pull from. But see, I don't know why. Seems like I was feeling patterns, and then I was looking at the dates. I was feeling patterns last year, so around this time. So I thought at first I could get this to be the same way, but it didn't turn out that way. It went its own course, and that's what I love too about Gluebook. For me, because I don't plan my page. It does what it wants to do, and it turns out sometimes it doesn't turn out. But and that 2026 was for something else. I was doing another project. It didn't. I don't think I will use them, so I said, let me slap them down here. Oh, it was a whole thing. 6 minutes worth of me trying to get this table together. And I was going to show y'all at first, but it wasn't funny or interesting. And it was just me being mad. But I got it together. I didn't think I would. I said, let me try one little burst of energy to get this going. And after a while it took over. I stopped talking after a while though. So that's why I'm doing the voiceover. But it it started to come together after a while. So I did end up going to my little crafting place where I relaxed. And so that was good. So how's everyone? I hope everyone is well. I'd like to thank everybody for your support this year, for coming on by, sitting with me, or working on your own projects while you watch me, or a lot of people watch on TV, cleaning the house, or just sitting there, just watching, or cooking, and or anything of that nature. Thank you for all you do. Thank you, and leaving a comment. It helps, guys. It helps more than you know. The interaction helps YouTube videos. You watch. So I like to thank you for watching this year. Okay, so I hope y'all had a great New Year's Eve. Uh, I did what I usually do. I'm going to sleep. I will hear the fireworks, and I will see y'all on the other side. I'm not. I don't know. I don't stay up for that anymore. I'm going to sleep. So, but I hope all of you have a nice, had a nice New Year's Eve. You can tell me down below, what did you do? What is your traditions for the new year? Do you eat black eyed peas? Every year I think I'm going to do that, and I never get around. This year, oh gosh, it was so busy. I didn't come on here and let y'all know, but it'll come out probably. Why I didn't have any? I had one Christmas video. Oh my goodness, so much went on. So much real life. You know what I'm saying? Real life went on. And we're not going to go too far in it because this is supposed to be a light video too. Because, it's Christmas. Not Christmas. It's New Year's Eve. Not, you know what I mean. New Year's Eve is New Year's Day. People don't want to think about that right now. So hopefully I get this up. I am editing and talking at the same time. How much more minutes do I have? I had thought I had talked all the way to the end. I hope I didn't repeat a segment in here because I was at the end of the video and now I'm not. Somehow we still have 8 more minutes to go. I might still have to play the music. Didn't catch me on it. If you watch to the end, there's a small segment where I'm showing you. I was trying to get the desk together. I just took a little bit of it to show you. Because it was something with all that glue and realizing I had to sit down here again and do a whole nother page. But it turned out. It turned out. So I was happy for that. I don't want to repeat myself because again I thought I don't know where the extra 7 minutes came from. Hopefully it doesn't repeat somewhere in here. But anyway, I might have to stop it and play music for just a little while, and then I'll come back at the end and show you the reveal. I had promised. I said I was going to talk to the whole time. See, I'm just rambling right now because when I was initially doing the voiceover, I talked way past the video going off. Well, anyway, it's at the 9-minute mark. That's 6 minutes, right? 6 more minutes. I'll just go ahead and play music for a little while. So I'll see you at the end. Oh, am I showing the end already? See, I was running. My mouth never settled. Outdream yourself. So let's do that this year. Well, I don't never settle. I don't look. Now let me run my mouth. I don't have a minute left for this. I'm not running my mouth, but that's not me. But outdream yourself. Now that could be. I could take that on. I could do that, and find what moves me. I know. Look at my hand. You can see the glue. The glue. I told you. You can see. You can see it on my finger right there. It was everywhere. Anyway, but I was determined to get out here and get y'all another video, and I like how it turned out. I like how it turned out. Funny, I didn't have enough energy to record the voiceover over it, though. I was like, hello, but never mind. I'm not going to be a hello, everybody. Let's gluebook. I was tired. I was like, I can't. And here I am now, probably get ready to go to the end and probably will talk all over the end because I got a lot. I don't have a lot to say. I have a lot, somewhat a lot to say, but some of y'all may not want to hear right now. No. But I wish y'all all a good. This is supposed to go up. If it's not up January 1st, what can I tell you? I'm trying to get this up January 1st. I'm sure this for a good long time. That's good. Did I add anything to it? Because sometimes when the camera goes off, I still add stuff. I don't remember. But oh, anyway, that's all I have to say. If you've made it this far and you hung out with me these few minutes, I appreciate you. Thank you so very much. If you could put a wave down and let me know that you're here, or 2026, and I pray that this year it will be our best year yet. Because I know there's a lot going on, but we're going to push through and persevere, and we're going to make it. I wish y'all a happy new year again, and thank you so very much for watching. Bye. That goes on when you try to, I got it all over my fingers now. Where's the six? See, you lose stuff. See, look at this. I'm at an angle. I can see it. I'm standing up so I can see it. This thing will not, I don't want to swing you too. It won't sit right. Y'all, this is going to be Yankee. It's just going to be, it is what it is. Welcome to Micki's Arts and Crafts.